Hi everyone, today I'll be making Sabudana Khichadi or tapioca khichdi, which is a great winter snack, a breakfast meal as well, and extremely nutritious. To make this, I took 1 cup of tapioca seeds. I soaked them overnight. So if you have 1 cup, just fill it until the brim with water, cover it and let it stay overnight. And then that's how the tapioca seeds will start looking. I have 1 small potato which is boiled and cut into smaller cubes. There is 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 curry leaves. I will squeeze the juice of half a lemon. This is half a cup of ground nuts, that is raw. We have to fry them. There is half an onion which is finely chopped, a handful of fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, and about 3 teaspoons of oil of choice that you like. Let's start by heating the pan and adding in the oil. Once the oil is all heated, let's add in the ground nuts and we'll fry them till they are nicely cooked. Do this on a medium flame because you don't want the ground nuts to burn. As you can see, these are almost done, and once I'm done, I'm going to remove these from the pan and keep them aside. Let's add in the cumin seeds and the curry leaves. Within a minute or so, add in the onion, give it a good mix, saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. Also add in the green chili at this time and mix it well. Let us cook this for about 2 minutes. I just added in all the dry spices together and then keep it on a medium flame and then just continue to mix. Again, for not more than a minute. Squeeze in the lime juice now. This is just half a lime. Give it a mix, and now I have my tapioca. I had also put in my groundnuts in this. Let's just empty all of this in a bowl. Give it a good mix till everything is evenly coated. You can see the color has started to set in. This serving will serve approximately 2 people. So if you want more, just increase the quantity by that many. One of the tricks that I use, and it's completely optional so that the tapioca is tender, is adding a little bit of milk. So just about 2 teaspoons of milk. Give it a good mix. Remember, this is on a low flame at this time. And now keep it on a low flame and cover this and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 2 to 3 minutes. There you go. Looks like this is almost cooked. Time to add in the fresh coriander leaves. Give it a gentle mix. And there you go, the Sabudana Khichdi is all ready. Let's serve this now.